नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं मेड इन इंडिया। आपके साथ मैं हूं अनुया यादव। मेडिमिक्स एक ऐसा ब्रांड जिसकी शुरुआत करीब करीब 5 दशक पहले हुई। एक ऐसा आयुर्वेदिक साबुन जो दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा बिकने वाले ब्रांड्स में से एक है। मेरे साथ प्रदीप चौलायल जुड़ गए हैं, सीएमडी हैं चौलायल ग्रुप के। थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस इनटू दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन।
Yeah, thank you. It is nice inviting me for this 18-hour program, and I'm happy to be participating in this program with you.
थैंक यू सर। प्रदीप सर, सबसे पहले आपकी इस जर्नी के बारे में जानना चाहूंगी। आपने जब शुरुआत की थी मेडिमिक्स के साथ, एक सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव के तौर पर, सेल्स पर्सन के तौर पर आप चौलायल ग्रुप के साथ जुड़े थे। उसके बाद आज की तारीख में मेडिमिक्स इज एवरी हाउस होल्ड्स नेम। हाउ योर जर्नी हैज बीन सो फार?
Yeah, it's quite an interesting journey. It all started by my father, Dr. Siddhan. He was a doctor by profession, and he started Medimix Ayurvedic soap in a small in a railway quarters. He was working with the Indian Railways, so he started in the railway quarters. This soap was started way back in the year 1969, and in 1983 I joined my business, and from there it is a successful journey, step-by-step journey. It is a small beginning, but we have grown to a large extent. Today, we are not only available all over India, but we are also available in more than 25 countries across the globe. So it's a very successful journey, and we had every small steps taken as become big steps in the history of Cholail. And we are having the state of the manufacturing facilities, and we have increased numbers of multiple brands. We are not just only soap. We have got multiple products in products in the name of Medimix, and that's the way we expanded. And we does not believe we always believe in team playing, and we always give enough opportunity for our team to perform their best, and they always take a calculated risk, and that calculated risk has made all the success of Cholail.
बिल्कुल सर, और आज की तारीख में आपकी जो मेहनत और लगन है वो साफ दिखाई देती है। दुनिया भर में मेडिमिक्स का नाम भी है, और पूरे ग्रुप के साथ जिस तरह से कई सारे आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट्स आप लेकर आए हैं, उसकी दुनिया भर में धूम है। लेकिन प्रदीप जी, आपसे एक और बात समझना चाहूंगी, वो ये कि आपके पिताजी का सपना रहा कि कैसे आयुर्वेदा को वो एक नई ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाए। योर फादर्स ड्रीम वाज टू टेक आयुर्वेदा टू न्यूअर हाइट्स, एंड द कंपनी इज ऑल्सो एक्सपोर्टिंग प्रोडक्ट्स इन मेनी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स कॉर्नर्स नाउ। सर, व्हाट इज योर ड्रीम? आपका क्या सपना है? आप मेडिमिक्स को, चौलायल ग्रुप को कहां ले जाने का सपना देखते हैं?
Yeah, the dream is to take Medimix popular across India. It should be a very popular brand known to all Indian, and that's one of the best this thing. And also to take forward Medimix to the international markets. Today, Medimix is available in more than 25 countries, and we are becoming popular in almost all the countries we are representing. The interesting part is today Medimix is not only sold among the Indian diaspora. Earlier, when we started the export business, it was largely sold in the Indian diaspora countries like the Middle East, Singapore, Malaysia. But that has been changing, and we are now available in the US market, in the Taiwan, Korea, and many other, Vietnam, many other countries where Indian diaspora is not there at all. And we are successful in these markets also. This clearly shows how much they trust and believe on Ayurveda, and Ayurveda is becoming popular among the world over. So this clearly shows that. And as I said, one of my biggest dream will be to have in the Times Square a neon light burning for Medimix.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत बात आपने कही। कंप्लीटली मेड इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट है आपका, मेड इन इंडिया कंपनी है, और हमारी शुभकामनाएं जरूर आपके इस सपने को साकार करे, ये पूरी ही टीम की तरफ से है। प्रदीप सर, एक अहम बात ये कि पिछले 1.5 साल में इस पैंडेमिक ने कोविड-19 ने जिस तरह से पूरे के पूरी दुनिया को हिलाकर रख दिया है, every business has adapted to a new style of working. What is it that you and your company has done, since sales play a very important role? It should not get affected much. आपकी कंपनी ने किस तरह के कदम उठाए हैं ताकि जो सेल्स है उसे किसी तरह का कोई नुकसान ना हो और रेवेन्यू उसी तरह से जनरेट होता रहे?
Yeah, in the first phase of the pandemic, we were very much affected due to the supply chain. Supply chain was very much affected because we were trying to get the raw materials and packing materials to our factory became a big challenge. And also after we manufacture the product, we are finding it challenging enough to transport the products to different parts of the country. So these are the challenges we adopted. But the most important thing is in this part of this thing, we got fully focused on e-commerce. E-commerce is one which we focused on, and we are finding a big success in the e-commerce business. And we are having a sizable amount of growth, nearly 30% of growth of e-commerce, which is happening across this thing. And also we ventured into our own D2C, and our own D2C also is giving phenomenal amount of business to us now. So these are some of the great initiatives which you took in the pandemic times. And the best part was government declared this as an essential product. So this also helped us during the pandemic times to ensure and sustain our business.
Sir, you clearly mentioned how you're moving from B2C. I would also like to understand from you that, in the past couple of years, we have seen that digitization plays a very important role. How has it helped your business grow? कैसे digitization की मदद से आपका business जो है वो नई ऊंचाइयों को छू रहा है?
Yeah, on the digitization part, we got focused on especially on the e-commerce and D2C operations. And that is one of the best part which happened. And that's one move which has helped us to grow our business.
Sir, what are the steps that you have taken recently to modernize your factories? क्योंकि समय बहुत बदल गया है, अब जो पूरा का पूरा पिछला 1.5 साल निकला है उसमें काम करने के तरीके बहुत बदल चुके हैं. आपकी फैक्ट्रीज में आपने किस तरह से चेंजेस किए हैं?
Yeah, for us the factories are the most important part of our organization. We always ensure that we always manufacture only quality products. And quality products are always being manufactured, and every steps are being taken that every person in the factory takes a good care to make sure only quality products are being dispatched out of the factory. That's the most important step we are taking. And we always give a preference on safety, wastages, eco-friendliness, productivity, efficiency. All these things are being taken care in our factories. And we always believe in Kaizen. We have been always ensuring almost every month we have at least 10 to 15 Kaizens are being developed in our factories. So this in turn has improved the productivity of the factory. And because of our importance we give on quality, productivity, we have been winning awards. Quite a number of awards we have won from CII, QCFI, and QCI, and all these productivity council. All these organizations, we have been continuously winning awards on our efficiency.
Pradeep sir, another important thing is that you cultivate your own herbs. इन products को बनाने में जिस तरह के सामान की ज़रूरत होती है, जिन तरह के raw material की ज़रूरत होती है, वो आपकी कंपनी खुद cultivate भी करती है. क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं कि कैसे इस cultivation की मदद से आयुर्वेदिक इंडस्ट्री जो है भारत में वो लीडर बन सकती है, और साथ ही साथ आपका जो ब्रांड है वो कैसे बाकियों से अलग होता है?
Yeah, we cultivate we have a farm outskirts of Chennai. In our farm, we cultivate some of the herbs which we require for our products. And also, we have a backward integration plan and program, which in the outskirts in Kerala, we manufacture some of the Ayurvedic herbs we manufacture. And we also ensure we are having an extraction unit for all our herbs which we cultivate. We extract it with our own unit so that we ensure the quality of the extract what we are using is the best of the quality. So these are some of the steps which we are taking to ensuring we always use only quality Ayurvedic herbs.
प्रदीप सर, आपने जिस तरह से इस पूरे के पूरे प्रोडक्ट को आप बुलंदियों तक पहुंचा चुके हैं, आगे भी आपके और आपकी कंपनी के बहुत सारे प्लान्स हैं यहाँ पर। यू हैव बीन एन एमिनेंट लीडर सर इन एक्चुअली ब्रिंगिंग योर कंपनी टू दीज लेवल्स आफ्टर इवन सो मेनी इयर्स बैक, 5 decades back when you had started. What is your leadership mantra that you want to give to the viewers who are listening to you right now?
Yeah, the leadership mantra is we always ensure we provide only quality products. Quality is the one benchmark we have been ensuring, and that has only helped us to grow what Medimix is all about today. Because we know when any consumer prefers to acquire Medimix, they always get a quality product from us. So that's the biggest mantra we are having, and that mantra has become the success of Chole.
सर, आपकी कंपनी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बाजार में भी बहुत सारे जगहों पर उपस्थित है और सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरनेशनली बिकने वाला आयुर्वेदिक साबुन है मेडिमिक्स। व्हाट एल्स इज द कंपनी डूइंग टू ग्रो द बिजनेस इन द इंटरनेशनल मार्केट?
We have got specific products developed only for international markets. Now, for example, we have launched a body wash, we have launched intimate hygiene wash. We are launching a henna powder. These are all specific to the international markets, and so we are focusing very much to attract the attention of the international consumers. What does international consumers requires, we attract to them, and we are developing products suitable to them. So these are ways we are taking forward our products across.
चुनौतियां तो हर बिजनेस में आती हैं,
मगर काबू वही पाते हैं जिनके पास होती है पक्की रणनीति।
हम देंगे आपको ऐसा नजरिया
जिससे बिजनेस करना होगा बेहद आसान।
शेयर करेंगे ऐसे आइडियाज जो आपके जीवन में लाएंगे बदलाव,
जो भरेंगे आपके पोर्टफोलियो में जान।
भारत की तरक्की में अब बढ़ेगी आपकी भागीदारी।
ET Now स्वदेश, बढ़ो देश के साथ।
Channel partner National Stock Exchange. Channel partner Union Bank of India. Good people to bank with.
पिंकू ओबेरॉय के लिए बेस्ट गोलगप्पे पिक करना मुश्किल है, पर अपस्टॉक्स के स्मार्ट फीचर्स के साथ स्टॉक पिक करना इजी। अपस्टॉक्स, स्टार्ट करके देखो।
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Meet the shapers of India's most comprehensive action plan for the future. At Times Now Summit 2021, celebrating India at 75, shaping India at 100. Presented by Herbal Life Nutrition. Powered by Darwin Platform Group of Companies. Never stop moving forward. Driven by Maruti Suzuki.
देखो देखो देखो, नया टीवी देखो। आ गई? सब्जियां छोटू की दुकान से लाई हो ना, वही सही रेट देता है।
हाँ पापा।
डिसाइडेड, 55 इंच का टीवी इस दीवार पे लग जाएगा।
ओह सुपर, कल मैं चेक दे दूंगी।
तुम नहीं, मैं अपने पैसों से।
वाओ, कैसे?
ये देखो एडवर्टाइजमेंट, 30% एश्योर्ड रिटर्न्स ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट। मैं भी इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, मतलब सब्जी सिर्फ छोटू की दुकान से, पर इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइस किसी भी हरे गहरे से। पापा, अजनबी का ज्ञान, अपना नुकसान।
लेकिन फिर टीवी?
सोच कर समझ कर इन्वेस्ट कर।
Pradeep sir, Medimix is a every household name, but you also have some products which are premium in quality, the premium Ayurvedic products like Sadhev. What is the growth strategy that you have applied? क्योंकि देखिए इतने सालों के बाद Medimix एक ऐसा नाम है जो देश के कोने-कोने में है, दुनिया भर में जाना जाता है, लेकिन अब जब आप प्रीमियम आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ बाजार में उतरते हैं तो किस तरह की स्ट्रैटेजी अपनाते हैं? What kind of strategy do you follow so that it becomes as popular as Medimix?
Yeah, Sadhev is a premium Ayurvedic product. It's sold largely through e-commerce and D2C. Currently, it is only through this channel we are promoting it. And we find immense opportunity because people across are finding it requiring to go for premium sort of products so that they get the best benefits out of the products what they're using. So across we have been quite successful, and we have been expanding it largely to across India, and we plan to take this product not only to the Indian markets, to the global markets also. So we have already made a stepping stone to reach out to the international markets also. So it's been done very successfully well. And this particular product, a brand, Sadhev, has been fully managed by my son, Lasakan. He is only handling it and he takes care of it.
सर क्या कोई और नया प्रोडक्ट, कोई नए लॉन्चेस जो आने वाले दिनों में व्यूअर्स जो हैं या आपके कस्टमर्स जो हैं जिन्हें मिल सकता है? एनी न्यू लॉन्चेस दैट यू आर प्लानिंग इन दिस ईयर?
Yeah, we have successfully launched a face wash, and the best part in the face wash is we say within 3 days you will find the benefits of getting rid of anti-pimple. So this is one of the most important communication which we have been sharing with the consumers, and consumers are feeling very happy, and we are getting many good reports from the consumers saying that they are benefited by using our Medimix face wash. Then we launched the body wash, which is a new launch for us, and we have launched the henna powder, and so we have got a stream of new products. We are also launching nearly 6 variants of body scrubs. Body scrub is something new which are coming out with a very innovative, unique body scrubs, like body scrub for salt, body scrub on copper, and body scrub on the Rejuvenate body scrub, which is based on rose flowers and things like that. So very interesting body scrubs we have launched.
प्रदीप सर, आपके एक्सपीरियंस से समझना चाहूंगी, एक लंबा वक्त 5 दशकों से भी ज्यादा का समय आपने अपनी इस कंपनी में गुजारा है, किस तरह का बदलाव आप देखते हैं? I would like to understand from a customer's point of view, a customer sentiment or demand point of view. Back then when you started, you only had Medimix as one of the brands. What is it that you feel the customers are demanding today, and this is their requirement, and a particular requirement that a customer has and then company works towards it? How has that entire sentiment of a customer changed?
See, now we are focusing more on the new gen customers. The new gen customers' demands are much better than what we had earlier customers. So they want something really fast acting, and they need to get results immediately. So we always felt Ayurveda is fast acting, Ayurveda is a skin fit product. So based on that only, our communication or our recent communication, we say Ayurveda is fast, because they believe in turmeric, they believe in neem is fast acting. When turmeric, neem is fast acting, why is not Ayurveda? So that's the one communication which we are saying, and that communication is helping us to grow the business and to reach out to the new gen.
Pradeep sir, we saw that Ayurveda, yoga, all this is ancient India, and people used to follow the organic products, be it about eating or using it on your body, your hair, all of that. But in between there was a time when the chemical industry, or I would say some of the international brands, had actually taken over this entire industry, and now the customers are back to the basics, back to their roots of Ayurveda. Ayurveda. You think this is something that is going to stay for the next coming years as well? And now people have understood that, you know, chemical industry or the chemical products actually do more harm, though the Ayurvedic products will slowly and gradually show their effect, show the results, but end of the day, Ayurvedic products are the best products.
As you said, the best part is almost all the international brands which are there in India, all of them have come out with natural Ayurvedic products. So this itself shows how much relevance is there towards these products and how much people in India and not only globally are preferring to Ayurvedic and natural products. So this clearly shows a significant movement that's happening across the globe, that people are preferring to more and more natural and herbal and to Ayurvedic products. So that is going to sustain and it is going to live long, and so people will be starting to get the benefits of these products.
Sir, also you see, you know, there are many startups that are happening in the country. Every day there is some or the other new business that comes up anywhere in the country. There are these young generation, you know, I would say are more and more into self-employment or starting up something. And now India stands at such a stage wherein we have maximum, you know, we are in the fastest race of becoming unicorns. We have maximum unicorns in the country. What message do you want to give to these startups who actually start with a big dream, but not everybody becomes a unicorn?
Yeah, the most important thing is for all these unicorns is perseverance. Whatever they take it up, they should have a perseverance to continue it, and success can't be overnight. Success has to be well-deserved. Success needs to be done. They have to keep continuously working to ensure that whatever plans they had, to ensure that plans have been successfully put forth, and we should not get stuck by failures. We should not get shocked by failures. Failures are part of our growth. When we want growth, failures will be there. So we have to take up failures in the right spirit and see that failures are converted into success.
Sir, what are the future plans of the company, if I may ask, you know, next 5 years, what is your vision? Where do you see the Cholail group? I'll not only talk about Medimix, because now under the group we have so many wide range of products as well.
Yeah, for us, as far as Cholail is concerned, we want to launch, especially in our Medimix range, more and more new innovative Ayurvedic products. That's one thing. We also have a Sadayush Ayurvedic treatment center. In this treatment center, we are successfully able to provide good, right quality treatments to people visiting Sadayush, and the people are finding benefit out of the treatments. So this is another one. This thing we want to expand this into different parts of the country, and that's one plan we have. So these are the plans, and plus we have other two brands in the name of Kutikura and Krishna Tulasi. These two brands also we are successfully currently these two brands are more predominantly available in the southern markets. We want to take it to the national level.
प्रदीप सर, आखिर में एक सवाल आपसे ये होगा कि इस सरकार ने मेक इन इंडिया को बहुत बढ़ावा दिया है, मेड इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट्स को बहुत बढ़ावा दिया है. खुद प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने बार बार ये कहा है कि हम इंपोर्ट कम करेंगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा अपने देश में ही जो चीजें हैं वो बनाएंगे. द गवर्नमेंट हैज ऑफ कोर्स फोकस्ड अ लॉट ऑन मेड इन इंडिया एंड मेक इन इंडिया. आपका क्या कहना है? व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दिस, एंड डू यू थिंक दैट यू नो दिस विल एक्चुअली benefit of course the GDP of the country and will give more employment to the people in our country?
Yeah, when you say made in India or make in India, it's going to improve the more and more quality products being manufactured in our country itself, which in fact will help to reduce the import. And naturally, when the import is reduced, naturally the GDP is going to grow, because the foreign economy of the country is not being diverted into by importing it. So that itself is a big economical growth it will be. And also the people become conscious enough to manufacture quality products because you need to compete against the quality products manufactured in the foreign countries. So that itself makes it a very, very good bet on the Indian manufacturers to produce good quality products.
Pradeep sir, in the end, my question to you is, what message do you want to give to the people who are actually listening to you right now? Medimix being one of the most oldest brands, the most sellable brands across the globe. What do you want to say to the youth who's using Ayurvedic products now? I understand, and we all know that they look for quick results. And with Ayurvedic products, you have to be a little slow and steady to actually win that race.
Most important thing is Ayurveda is around 5,000 years old science. It's not an overnight science. It's a 5,000-year-old science. So there is a science grown in the ancient rishis of Ayurvedic rishis. They have developed it. They have put so much of thought in identifying different herbs and ensuring that those herbs will benefit your body. So when so much of thought has gone by the ancient rishis of this thing, we as Indians, we should trust our ancient rishis, and the results which have been provided by that is phenomenal. So that always trust and believe in Ayurveda is going to make everybody has a healthy life.
ठीक है, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर गिविंग अस योर टाइम. और जाहिर तौर पर एक बात तो साफ है, मेडिमिक्स ने जिस तरह से 5 दशकों से भी लंबा का सफर रहा है, लेकिन दुनिया भर में अपना बोलबाला रखा है. कंप्लीटली मेक इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट है और आयुर्वेदा जो हमारी ही देश से शुरुआत हुई है, जिसकी अब बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स जो हैं उन्होंने भी इसका लोहा मान लिया है. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया प्रदीप टोयल आपका हमारे साथ यहाँ पर जुड़ने के लिए, उस बातचीत के लिए. तो मेड इन इंडिया के इस खास एपिसोड में मेरे साथ बस इतना ही. दीजिए इजाजत. नमस्कार.